Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syamil. Okay, now I want to present about introduction and history of catalytic converter. Okay, we go to the introduction and history. Okay. For the history, catalytic converter became more common in America around 1975 because of proof from the EPA. The US Clean Air Act said that all new cars made after 1975 must use catalytic converter to cut down on emission by 75%. Non-catalytic cars produce hydrocarbon, CO and NOx. This gas make the most ozone, which hurt plant and make smoke. Each type of vehicle has catalytic converter on it. A catalytic converter used redox reaction to clean up pollution. It turns 98% of the harmful exhaust into gas that around as bad. Okay, metal shell with ceramic honeycomb inside. The honeycomb inside has a layer of aluminum oxide on it. This coating is made of platinum, rhodium, and palladium. It makes the surface area bigger. A converter needs 4 to 9 grams of gold to do their job. The converter outside and reduce the amount of waste that come out, lost or gain. In both cases, electrons are either lost or gained. The precious metal help electron move, which lead to vapor conversion. Okay, thank you. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ifakal bin Muhammad Zadi, and I will continue to the theory of operation. Okay, as you can see here from the diagram, this is how catalytic converter is work. The operation of the catalytic converter is start from the engine that release the combustion waste to the ceramic honeycomb catalyst to filter the poison gas before the gas was released to the environment through tailpipe of exhaust. The ceramic honeycomb will function to filter the poison or toxic exhaust gas such as nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, and hydrocarbon. Okay, then I will continue to the system and technology diagram. Okay, as you can see from the diagram here, this is the component that being used in the catalytic converter. Okay, for the ceramic honeycomb, the ceramic honeycomb used in converter has a pore structure about 3 to 4 m pore that enable mechanical and chemical contact to the wash coat. It also has large surface area for wash coat coating such as aluminum oxide and can be further impregnated with a catalytic component such as platinum, palladium, and rhodium. Okay, then for the reduction and oxidation catalyst, it functioning to reduce harmful emission. Catalytic converter employ reduction and oxidation process that deploy a platinum and rhodium reduction catalyst. It contributes to the reduction of nitrogen oxide by removing nitrogen atom from nitrogen oxide molecule NO and NO2. This allows free oxygen to produce oxygen gas. Okay, for the downstream oxygen sensor, the downstream oxygen sensor is placed following to the catalytic converter. It's functioning by monitor the air-fuel ratio coming out of the catalytic converter to ensure that it is working correctly. Okay, then we go to the heat shield. A heat shield for the catalytic converter help lower interior temperature and protect transmission from excessive heat. Okay, then lastly for the stainless steel housing. The stainless steel housing function by endure high oxidation temperature.
My name is Khairul Akmal Yahya. I will continue the slide presentation with the advantage and disadvantage of the catalytic converter. Okay, we go to the advantage of the catalytic converter. Okay, catalytic converter can reduce emission by reducing the 87 of the hydrocarbon 85% of the carbon monoxide and 62% of the nitrous oxide. Okay, second advantage of the catalytic converter is it can reduce the fuel consumption of the vehicle. Okay, next we go to the disadvantage of the catalytic converter. Okay, the disadvantage of the catalytic is it's easy to steal because the cost of the raw material in the catalytic converter is very expensive. Okay, for example, material in the catalytic converter is platinum, palladium, and rhodium. That is expensive material inside the catalytic converter. Okay. Next disadvantage is when the catalytic converter clogged, it will drop the vehicle performance because the exhaust gas is cannot through or flow because the clogged at the catalytic converter block the flow of the exhaust gas. Okay. To the opinion and recommendation for improvement of the catalytic converter device. Okay. First, we suggest that to make a twin exhaust system which is have a two catalytic converter in the vehicle. It will reduce the load received by catalytic converter during to filter the poisoning gas. Okay, second is we suggest that to make a free maintenance catalytic converter where the filter in the catalytic converter can be replaced and we can be maintained for reduce the cost to replace catalytic converter. Okay, third is we suggest that the catalytic converter need to install at the closed area to avoid it's easy to steal. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you for watching, guys.